still not understand. I go back. I'm like, all right, what's up? I read it. What we doing?
Right.
And he like, the commander want to see you at 1300. Again, his whole mood had changed, but I didn't pick up on it. So I'm like, all right, bet he don't talk to the commander. We about to get busy. And at 1300, I go at 1 o'clock and I stand on a red carpet. I'm getting read in Article 15, and Article 15 is just like when we get a ticket from the police and we got to go to court. It's a mandatory court appearance. So I'm getting read, and I'm getting in trouble for owning a business without getting authorization from the commander. And that right there woke me up. And I was like, you know what? I'm done. I can't, I'm not gonna do this. So I had went to sick call and I talked to my doctor. I'm like, yo, I gotta get out. And he was like, yeah, they're kicking me out. And he was like, all you need to do now is start building your medical file. He said, don't just get out right now. You want to build this medical file so when you get out, you can get a check for the rest of your life. So I stuck and stayed in for about a year longer, but I built that medical file. So now I get a check for the rest of my life. I've been getting paid since 2014, and I've never touched that check. So we talking like a little over $250,000 that's sitting in the bank. So now when we're talking, that's a whole bar in the gym right there. Cause I know it's a whole lot of soldiers, the people that's in the military that are watching a podcast. So if you are considering getting out, just make sure you have a strategy plan behind it. Don't just get out. Make sure you building your medical file. Make sure you're taking advantage of all the time that's needed so that you can get, that 0% down on your housing, your free schooling and all that stuff. So that's why I stayed that additional year so that I can ensure that I got my medical, I got my VA loan where my crib, 9,200 square feet. I put 0% down. My schooling, got a full master's completely for free. Now taking civilian classes for free. So I had a strategy going out.